Vicky, you were talking about some crazy stuff. Huh?
Nothing. We're talking about the script. This like,
Where are you talking about?
The scene is so amazing.
Patanjali? आज से 2 साल पहले मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ नॉर्वे गया था and as usual we were pretty excited about this trip because Norway is considered to be one of the world's most beautiful country. मगर हमें ये नहीं पता था कि भी इस ट्रिप में हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही खौफनाक वाकया होने जा रहा है. क्या हुआ हमारे साथ, किस तरह हमने पूरी सिचुएशन को हैंडल किया, किन किन मुश्किलात का हमको सामना करना पड़ा. You will watch it in this vlog. So make sure इस vlog को आप एंड तक देखें. शुरू में काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग रहेगा, काफ़ी फन रहेगा, but end is going to be really scary. इस वक्त हम कश्मीर की वादियों में हैं. उस तरफ भारत, इस तरफ पाकिस्तान, हम बीच में हैं.
कुछ होता है कुत्ते, तुम नहीं समझोगे.
क्या तू खुश है? You can't kill yourself. You can't suicide like this. Don't worry, your Simran will come one day. Now Santi wanted to do a spectacular stunt on the train track. उसको कुछ हवलदारों ने आके बोला, ए संटी बोलता है, माँ शपथ I will not do आइंदा. माँ शपथ. Like it's okay, it's okay. Yeah.
सलील हो गए हम लोग.
Jon Snow, you know nothing.
अब तो ये गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स नहीं देखता.
अच्छा.
I'm trying to remember a dialogue. I drink
And I know things.
Should we show our audience which car we are driving?
Yeah, sure.
Vicky, हट वरना इसके भी पैसे लगेंगे. अपना ये है. अपना वो नहीं है. हाँ, सफाई कर.
बजट में तो भी है. जबरदस्त गाड़ी है.
क्योंकि तुझे जोर से इस वक्त क्या आ रहा है?
क्या आ रहा है किधर को? खुशी आ रही है.
खुशी आ रही है, लेकिन क्या आ? Oh shit man!
खुशी कहाँ से आती है?
As you guys can see that we are having so much fun, मगर हमें ये नहीं पता था कि आगे जाके हमारे साथ क्या होगा.
Hi everyone. So we have arrived in Stavanger after Santosh is confused. Santosh is still checking if we are actually at the right place or there's a lot of check going on. Check. Apparently this is supposed to be our accommodation for 3 nights.
यहाँ से शुरू होती है असल कहानी. ये जो आप बंगला देख रहे हैं, ये कोई आम खास बंगला नहीं. इसके पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा राज है. यहाँ पे दाखिल होने के लिए हमें बहुत सारे मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ा. 1, होस्ट ने हमारा फ़ोन नहीं उठाया. 2, चाबी और उसका कोड दोनों गलत. 3, यहाँ पे हमें बहुत अजीब किस्म की आवाज़ें आने लगी.
हमको क्या बनाया? केला. After like 45 minutes of hard work, finally they had to listen to my advice and they got the key. Okay, so now we are going to enter the apartment. Santosh is actually scared, so he has sent Vicky to go and try the key. So Vicky confirmed कि भाई ये नहीं है. First our task was to find the key. Now the second thing is to find the door. I think so. That small one, what Finny is saying, is actually correct. That small.
I heard that sound again, by the way.
Really?
It's like a stone fell or something. Okay, this is really scary now.
Okay, I changed my mind. Okay, I'm not gonna stay in a single room by myself.
I'm going to sleep in the car.
Maybe we enter from here and there are stairs to go up. Vicky, try. Vicky, there आगे भी. Shit, are you serious, man?
Dude, this is freaky as shit, man. Who's this? Can you come? We all are going together. Yeah, please. Okay, we all are going
But I'll be in the middle.
together. Finny, come. Finny. I'm not dying enough.
Dude, it's 11 p.m. and it's bright. Why are you scared?
Okay, walk in.
You leave the door open So just in case we have to dash out.
ए, चल ना यार.
Okay. It's like someone.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
तू जा मेरे शेर.
Okay, you guys come this way.
लाइट तो लगा. लाइट जला. किधर है लाइट?
There are only candles here.
ये हम कौन सी 18th century?
Hey, this room is not made.
There's a note here. There's a note here.
Okay, there's a note here. Leave light in the entry switched on.
Power won't work in bedroom
won't
number
work in bed. Okay.
Was it good? Even as a tool as
Yeah, hey, come on, guys. There's stairs to go up.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah. So let's go. This is
Can
the.
I close this? No.
Dude, you have the keys, right?
I have it.
You have the keys.
Yeah.
I think so. You have to just.
Actually, this is the way they've made it up, like for us apparently.
This is our kitchen. No way. Okay, let's go up first. Oh, now it's looking better. We're gonna go up, okay? Okay, we're gonna go up, okay, Vicky?
Oi, क्या कर रहे हैं भाई?
No, everything is up. It's just.
There's another door here.
I'll come behind you.
No way. Are you serious?
यहाँ पे सारे ये
I think this is only here. I'm carrying it's a basement. It cannot be a fucking old apartment.
oh, बस वही है.
Was that?
Yeah, this doesn't open.
I'm not sleeping here.
Vicky, what did you see here?
By the way, ये भी मर गया. Was one of the guests? One of the
What is
hosts?
this girl's name?
ए, ये फोन नहीं उठा रहा है ना?
Susan Loren.
ये फोन भी नहीं उठा रहा है.
Susan knows क्यों बोल रहा है?
And what's the other person's name? What's the other host's name? Is it?
I don't know.
This is dead. He died 3 years ago. And apparently even this woman is dead.
She chatted with me 2 days ago.
And that painting is like freaking me out. Like,
Everyone is freaked out. ये घर, this house looks like
this is the dog. This is the dog that the food was kept for outside. But we didn't see this dog. Even the dog is dead. Don't laugh, dude. It's past midnight almost.
Review था ना कुछ?
Review था. Okay.
कितने review थे? Like more than 10?
तू ही बोला था super host.
ये कैसे सुपर होस्ट है? सुपर गोस्ट लग रहे हैं. यहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं है. ऐसे अजीब और गरीब पेंटिंग है. क्या है ये?
What if we go out and the car is not there?
ये कोई बहुत ही पुराना तस्वीर लग रही है. ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में है.
Okay, we're not sleeping in this room. We're all sleeping together in that, and we're going to close the curtain. I'm not going to fucking
You
sleep.
can sleep here.
I'm not sleeping in this room. I'm not sleeping in this room.
Why? This is so cozy.
You sleep alone over here. Okay, can we go and get this thing? I'm getting goosebumps now. Come on, let's go.
I'm scared of that box and that Mangalsutra. So guys, this was our story. How we entered. सब देखा मैंने. I'm glad to see that my travel buddies have calmed down. What if Finny is running from there? Ah, Vikram! Ah, भाग जाओ! और हम गाड़ी की तरफ भाग रहे और फिर गोली मेरे पैर पे टिश! मैंने कहा वो मूवी में एक हीरो बचता है. सैंडी तो मर गया उधर. फिनी मर गया. तेरे को गोली लग गया. मैं गाड़ी लेके निकल गया. फिनिश मूवी ओवर. उसमें
तूने फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन देखा नहीं है, कोई बचता नहीं है, तू भी मरेगा.
But still, what is inside that small garage? एक्चुअली इस घर में कुछ नहीं था. हम 3 दिन रहे वहाँ पे. हमें कोई तकलीफ नहीं हुई. ये फ़कत हमारा एक वहम था. Anyways, that's all from this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. अगर मज़ा आया तो don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. That's all. Thank you very much. Minnatwar. Take care and don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. Okay. Ciao.
Don't kiss my viewers. Okay.